What's good? It's the BLONGshow. You already know what I'm here for. Young humanitarian style. I'm here to save you some money. And so you already know what my goal is to give you the information that you need to help you help yourself. So I was throwing these brakes on this Enclave and I said, let me go ahead and throw this camera on. So I'm gonna show you how fast and easy it is. And while you have to maintain safety, you don't have to change brakes the way that they change them. Sometimes your caliper is a little different. The inside pad is going to wear a little different because that's what's pushing against the inside pad. So of course the inside pad going to wear more than the outside pad. So let's get this tire off and see what's going on with this thing. While I use an impact gun, you don't have to use one. But if you got a car, you might as well buy one. This is a wireless impact gun, battery powered. You see how easy it's taking these lugs off. It's about $200. Grab you one. Just keep it. Saves you from pulling out a lug wrench and trying to change your tires. You can even keep it in the car. Got a nice carrying case. Get you a set of sockets, or just get you a socket for your car that fits your car. Leave the gun in the car. Imagine you out in traffic or with a flat tire or something, and you had this. You don't gotta call no tow truck and wait. You don't gotta be out there wrenching on it. Nothing. You just run them off. I'm taking these off of my hand because I just feel like it. One of those days. But the gun did the big part already. I ain't worked on a car in a minute, so I kind of appreciate a little manual work. Alright, so we got them off. Take the tire off. And one thing you could do for safety with the tire is put it under the car while you're working on the car. That way if any weird stuff happens, like that little movie where all those people was having stuff happen to them, forgot the name of Final Destination or something like that. You can avoid the movie. You know what I mean? Safety. Alright, now so the next thing we're gonna do is the pads are down in there. Let's see if I can show them to you. So don't look like I'm gonna be able to get a good view of it for you, but anyway, the pad is down in that hole right there. And so as long as you don't have brake hardware like this metal stuff right here. Oh, this camera is driving me crazy right now. Like this metal right here, as long as you don't have that in this hole, then you can get you a screwdriver or a crowbar or anything and pull the pad back. I'm gonna try to get some light over here for you. Alright, can you see that down in there? That's the pad right there. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the rotor back, and then I'm gonna stick the screwdriver in between that pad, and I'll just push the piston all the way back so I don't have to crank it back while I got the caliper off. Hopefully you can still see in there. So you just stick the screwdriver down, nice big meaty screwdriver, stick it down in there and grab in one of these holes in the rotor, and you just pull. And so you're not gonna get a lot of action like that, but what you're doing is getting you a little room so you can now work it in between the rotor and the pad. And so now we should have us a little space in between there. Can't really see because I'm dealing with this camera. The camera in my way, I can't get down in there like I want to. There we go. So now if you can see, I'm trying to just create that little space in there. So if you see me pulling, see how the screwdriver moving? I'm pulling back on it. And so now I just gotta see how I knock the caliper back that way, back this way. And now I got that little space in there. I can stick the screwdriver on the brake pad and between the rotor and just pull back. You see how that's just going back just so easy? And it don't move back fast. It's hydraulic fluid in there, so you have to take your time. Start it back a little bit so you can see. So see, I can go either way. Just move back nice and easy. And so you just want to move that all the way back. Like so, go till it stopped. See right there, this one has stopped. And all I need to do is get me a socket to fit this bottom bolt on the caliper. Take that bottom bolt out, lift the caliper up, now take the pads out. Those bolts shouldn't be too tight. If they are, you probably, whoever worked on your car, probably didn't grease them up, or they put them on with an impact gun or impact socket and they put them on too tight and messed them up. And then now you can just lift this up. See how easy that is? One finger. Pull the pads out. And so this is wearing a little odd, but it's still plenty pad on there. So me personally, I really don't care. I'm not getting no trouble or nothing on this side, but the other side, this pad was flat, which means the piston is pushing out longer on the other side. And so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna replace one pad on the other side. And that's what I do. I don't replace 4 sets of pads because I'm doing my brakes. It doesn't make any sense to do that. They just do that so that they can charge you more money. So you can take this one off, look at it, check it out. Still look good. So what I'm gonna do is put these jokers back on. And that brake hardware, just hold them in there and keep it from squeaking and stuff. And you just put that back down. I got grease and everything on there. My brake grease still good. So you just put that back down. Make sure this one is out the way. Put that bolt back in there. Pump the brakes up. And you're done. It's the BLONGshow. It's just that easy to save your money.